Hey, did someone say fiberglass? What do we got? That guy. And this guy, not good. So I'm just gonna fiberglass those two spots. I'll cut it, mix it, show you what I do. Fiberglass is a cruel mistress. Get some scissors, lay it out. I cut up one patch for the front, which isn't as bad, and there's already fiberglass there, so I'm doing one patch. Then I have two patches for the second. So we'll stack those up like that, and then we'll paint them. First, it's kind of the worst part. You gotta knock away all the paint where you want a fiberglass, because it will just peel off. If you try to fiberglass over paint, you were wrong. That is the worst part. Love grinding. But once you're done with that, it's pretty. So here's our fiberglass. This is the way these pumps work, is you just do equivalent pumps like 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. And then the volumes they come out in make it the right mix ratio. Although this one's been acting funny. I got dadded for not picking up sawdust. Anyways, yeah, this epoxy kit and that fiberglass over there, I got off Amazon for like $100, and I've used it for like 5 or 10 projects. So yeah, mix this up, stir for about a minute. You always stir for a minute. I'm gonna do probably 4 pumps into I have a disposable cup right there. And then you have to coat, after you dedust, you have to dedust first, but you're gonna coat this entire thing with water with epoxy. And then you put your first patch of fiberglass down, and then you cover that in more resin. And it takes time for the fiberglass to soak up the resin. It's a minute of stirring. Now we're just gonna coat it up. I love fiberglass. Sing. Fiberglass. We love fiberglass. Fiber. Line her up right about there. Right where I want her. Pressure down. And if the karma is good, oh, come on, come on. So we'll wait 4 or 5 hours. When that tacks up, it can become sandable. We'll run the sander over it, and then we'll paint it. And I forgot, that is actually very hard. I got resin all over me. There's a whippoorwill. Beautiful. Gotta get to work. Little night sand. Sanding complete. You know, when you're sanding, if you hold your breath, it's not that bad. All right, I just woke up this morning and it's looking pretty good. So I think we're gonna put this in the water and we're gonna get back out there. This actually came out way better than I thought.